Would you like to know how Oprah, Jim Carrey, Einstein, Henry Ford, and millions of other people attracted their success? Or how millions of athletes and other people have learned to reprogram their minds to not only be successful, but to attract everything they desire? If you don't yet know the power of attraction, then let's talk. Most people understand that positive thinking, affirmations, and visualization techniques are well proven, but don't know how to properly do them. Or maybe you've tried some of these programs before, but soon learned that you weren't doing them correctly and weren't getting the results you wanted. Don't you wish you could join a group of like minded people and be guided through each step and process so that you can be successful in changing your life? Well, wait no longer. It's time for you to learn and put into practice these powerful methods to change your life, demand success and riches, and to finally be happy. The way to change your life and to be successful is to change your mind or reprogram your mind. And when it's done correctly, the world is yours. You can attract things you desire. You can be happy and at peace with yourself because you'll have everything you need in life. Get started changing your life today with our free video mini course, access to our video blog and YouTube channel, and other great surprises. We can't wait for you to join us. Click on the button or go to this link to start your transformation now.